Just imagine if you could fly like Superman, Supergirl, and even Super Kitty. Wherever you flying to. Super Kitty can fly wherever she wants. Don't forget to subscribe. I want to continue the story.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children
In Hello Kitty's world,
laugh and play.
Kitty can play any role.
The children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently
What an
about.
awesome logo!
Patiently about till Mary did appear.
Super Kitty is our guest today, and we want to get to know the colors of her beautiful dress.
Eager children cried.
Let's paint Kitty's beautiful blue with yellow and red colors.
Mary loves the lamb, you know the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb.
Today, Hello Kitty is wearing her Superman cape, which is so beautiful. Everyone likes the blue and red colors of Super Kitty's clothes. I like it so much. This is the Super Hello Kitty logo. Have a nice day, Kitty. Goodbye.